Hey guys, today we are going to have a video and it's about Minecraft, so hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
I've been waiting out here! December 6, 2014.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have two dogs with me, but one's in my room. I thought I would start my intro.
We're gonna drive across LA and hit every wedding we possibly can.
But I
it's gonna be
have
awesome.
like a map
We're
right
late.
here.
Let's do it for you, Mr. Madden.
As you can see this in the bathroom. This one floor is all clean. This is Joy. And out here it is my other dog, Sugar. And if you don't hear the song, I'm playing Sugar right now.
I need your loving, I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak.
I'm here with my father today. I'm called Pat, and he's called Mr. And this is my bed right here. And this is his bathroom. He's here. He doesn't have a lot of room in his bathroom. And this is her room. Some songs for you later, so don't mind that. This is our TV and I have it before. Here's our garden. Oh, our pumpkin patch. What? Fucking new. I'm a noober. It's like a YouTuber, but a noober. What do you need from Watermelon House? So we have a secret chest. It's hidden. And it's right here. Sorry guys. It's filled with our food so no one can rob our food. I'm putting our raw mutton, okay? And then we have mine. I've been working on. So just pretty far. Oh yeah, guys,
I want that red velvet, I want that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be
either by drowning or falling from a high height.
So the California day, I don't wanna play no games. You don't gotta be afraid. Don't give me all that shy shit. No makeup on, that's my sugar.
Pretty hard to get into. Yeah. So I got this thing. I built down really far to all the way to bedrock, but I have never seen or found any. No, no. I have never found diamonds yet, so that kind of stuff. Teleport me to you. Oh, it looks like you don't have to run around. No, you have time. More to you. So this is my So, and iron, this is like copper, gold, furnace, and some gold, as you heard. But yeah, I have not found diamond. And please, if LB Shadow Lady is watching, I'm such a big fan. What? Yeah. So, let's get back out. Now, I need to find... Oh, wait.
Your
There's
customers
lava!
expect you to know them and value their
Let me
time.
tell myself.
They expect every interaction with your business to be personalized.
I wanna,
CRM systems
get
give you a partial view of your customers. Bold 360 supercharges your customer IQ with vital business data that elevates every conversation by fueling smarter interactions. By leveraging previous interactions together with the right data from disparate systems, Bold 360 gives you a 360-degree view of every customer.
I'm gonna... I wanted to do that. Ah!
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got chucks on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too
As you
hot.
know, I made it like very, very far.
Retirement. I'm too hot.
I'm soon going to need another sword. So I didn't think on him
My band bought that money, break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah.
This is
Cause Uptown
anger.
Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it
And
to you.
this one right here, is madness.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Madness. Just like anger. And I'm making my house as modern as possible. That's my floor up there. That's his floor. This is where all these things are like I really want to try to get the 15 and go to another. I really want to find an actual cave and like find a dungeon. So I can like get a saddle and do one of the places. So I don't have to run everywhere. And then I have to waste
Jackson,
food.
Mississippi.
This is
If
the
we
way.
show up, we gon' show out.
If you don't
Smoother than a
know,
fresh drop skipping. I'm too hot.
I made this stuff with one of my favorite guys in Minecraft
Make a dragon
with
wanna retirement. I'm too hot.
on my phone. And
Bitch, say my name,
I
you
made
know who
that
I am.
since
I'm
the
too
boys
hot.
have to fight over the females. Boys have more hearts than the girls. So,
Girls hit you, hallelujah.
yeah.
Girls hit you,
So,
hallelujah.
I always go for the girls, and my cousin says for girls, and I'm surrounded by boys. And I go to my
Don't believe me,
grandma's.
just watch.
They were like, we need cobblestone. Yeah, I need cobblestone. Yeah, you can stop.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't
I don't
believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, hey, oh.
That's a YouTuber laughing at me.
Before we leave,
We need lava.
let me tell y'all a little something. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up.
Put your hands.
Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Dance, jump on it. If you said and flown it. If you freak dead and own it. Don't brag about it, come show me. Come on, dance, jump on it. If you said and flown it. Saturday night we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch.
What you need to get is some lava. I know, and then you can look at
Don't
that.
believe me, just watch.
If I need
Don't
to find
believe me,
out,
just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
a bucket.
Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, hey, oh.
Can you just give me the bucket? I'm telling you, I'm not that. There's going to be music during this video, so expect that. So, yeah. Go to the real mean. Please don't.
Let's be honest. The tire that fights for more miles per gallon knows how to kick some asphalt. The Firestone Champion tire with fuel fighter technology available at Firestone Complete Auto Care. And get $60 by mail on a Visa prepaid card when you buy a set of 4 eligible Firestone tires. Whatever you drive, drive a Firestone.
Yes! Oh, perfect timing.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Now all we have to do Obsidian.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, the things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. See you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day.
You said fight to the death.
Not yet.
Oh my gosh! No! 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 No!
I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began.
Get yours off me! I can't!
When I see you again. I tell you. When I
I'm
see
gonna kill yours.
again.
You don't kill my other! Don't kill my other! Is this yours? Okay, yeah, that is right.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling stronger. With small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. The love will never get lost.
Don't go in my room.
And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side. Now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
I can keep going.
Light guides your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as it goes,
She stayed.
and every road you take
I'm so glad.
always leads you
Scared me so
home.
badly. My heart started beating so fast.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoy, and see you later.